Hi besties, it's your girl Sheridan and we're back with yet another video. Hey y'all. So I kind of failed at Vlogmas, but it's okay because I'm making up for it now. I told y'all that I was going to refurbish my life and my space, and I did just that. So it's Christmas Eve right now as I'm filming this, and I'm about to show y'all my bedroom. Now, let me tell y'all, I initially thought that I was going to go into the beige girl routine like all the other YouTube influencers are doing, but it's not my thing. I am not a minimalist. Instead, I have decided to go with the Art Deco theme, okay? Art Deco became very popular in the 1920s, and so it's using shapes, symmetry, and things of that nature, and it's a really cool design style. So instead of beige, let me just show y'all what it looks like. Come on. It's time. All right, y'all, let's go. Welcome to my room.
My neck, my back, so buttery brown. My neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, so buttery brown. Oh my, oh my, my neck, my back, my neck, my back,
Okay, hi you guys. So one of my statement pieces, everything is basically a statement piece in my room because Art Deco is about bold colors, symmetry, shapes, and things like that. So because the style comes from the 1920s, I thought it would be just completely apropos to have Audrey Hepburn, the Vogue issue, Paris edition, in my room. This is from February 1959, and Audrey just is a classic woman. If y'all know the movie Breakfast at Tiffany, then y'all know who Audrey Hepburn is. Hey, I love this because Audrey Hepburn said elegance is the only beauty that never fades and happy girls are the prettiest, and I think that is correct. Okay, you guys, I got this artwork from Home Goods, and let me tell you, y'all see this slit right here? Somebody at the Home Goods had messed up this artwork, but it works together for my good, and let me tell you why. This was almost $200, but because somebody's son or daughter punctured Audrey Hepburn's head, then I got it for only $26. Won't he do it? Yes, he will. So I'm just gonna put a little tape right there so it doesn't split even more. But I was like, I'll take it. I'll take the defective piece. All right, let me show y'all this area over here. Come. All right, you guys. So as an author, I'm an author, so I decided not to do a nightstand. Instead, we got a bookshelf here. So I have two bookshelves in my room. This is our black one that is nearest to my bed. This is the black one that is nearest to my bed. Some of my favorite books on here are on here. I have some books I have not read yet. Oh, let me go back. So this right here is an art lamp. I'm going to have this over my Audrey Hepburn photo. My brother has to put it up for me, so we love the men's in our lives, right? Okay, here I definitely have a lamp. I love lamps. And I think this is so cool. It gives me a chandelier vibe, so I love this. I got this from Home Goods and it was only $40, so I thought that was a really good find. Here I also got this clock from Home Goods. I ain't even said it yet, but it's whatever. It's a clock I got from Home Goods and it was only $10. Isn't it so cute for $10? And then I got this vase again, baby. We might as well call me the Home Goods girl. Home Goods, y'all need to sponsor me, okay? If I can find things that are on Home Goods and also on Amazon, it'll be linked below because y'all gotta go to my Amazon store. So this vase was $14 and I got it from Home Goods. I got these pieces from Home Goods as well. But my beautiful faux pampas grass I got from Amazon. And you guys, it will be linked in my Amazon store. I am loving pampas grass, and it really works with the Art Deco theme. You can also use it with the minimalist theme, as you guys see with many influencers. So let's go over here. So this is the wall that my bed faces. So it's important for me. I'm gonna see this every day to see something that is uplifting. And so this says the best accessory a girl can have is confidence. And I honestly think that that's true, besides Jesus. So yes, I feel like I want to make sure that my confidence is A1 all the time. Y'all, baby, I done shouted my hair all out of place. Hallelujah. Okay, I want to make sure my confidence is A1 and all this stuff. So I want to make sure that I have this in my room. Kind of entertainment center, if you will. I got my television on top of bookshelves. My Bible is here, and I got all type of books and stuff in here. Some of my favorite candles, etc. All right, first thing I want to point out is this white chair. It is from Amazon, but y'all, this is temporary. I have had her for about 3 years now, and I think I'm about to let it go. Let it go, baby. It feels like another little TKO. I am looking for an emerald armchair. So yeah, we might be parting ways with our girl soon. But all right, you guys, I do have a MacBook Pro here, and my computer, which is an HP Instant Ink. You can find the HP Instant Ink on Amazon, so it will be in my Amazon storefront, and it came with this mat. Now this mat is not necessarily in my color scheme, but because it works with my MacBook Pro and my sign here, I am keeping it there. My mother gave me this, which says I'm kind of a big deal, which I thought was real cute. And then y'all look. Okay, along with refurbishing my life, I'm definitely getting to a color aesthetic. So y'all gonna see me in a lot of rich blacks and golds, and I love this. My nail tech Ebony gave me this for Christmas, and it's just so cute, super cute. All right, you guys, and then here you see my candle holder. I love this candle holder. I got this from Home Goods as well. It was $25, which you cannot beat this for this quality. It's literally so nice, and I love how it matches the lamp from on the other side of my room. Inside it, I had burning earlier Lakeside Morning, which is my favorite candle from Bath and Body Works. Shout out to Gina Janine, because she's the one who put me on to that. Here, my candle accessories, okay, that I got from Amazon, and they will be linked in my storefront. Check them out. I love that they're rose gold. And also, I got a rose gold mug. These you can find on Amazon, and I decided to just place, you know, I'm a writer, my pens, pencils, and things like that in this mug. So I thought that was cute. So instead of having a Moscow Mule, I'll just go ahead and have a pen, okay? Y'all don't know, I come from a spiritual family. We are Christians, but I think if you follow me, you know that. So my dad told me to do something as an act of faith a couple years ago. He told me to purchase a globe, and I think he thought I was gonna purchase like a regular school globe. But no, honey, when I saw the gold one, I had to have this, okay? So he told me to purchase a globe and then anoint my hands with oil and lay hands on the globe and declare that my books will be sold in these different places. And so there are 7 continents across the globe. My books have been sold in 5 of them so far, so I'm praying for the other 2 soon. But anyway, I got these 3 mirrors over here over my desk. I just thought that would be very cute, cool in contrast to the other art on the other side of the bed. So speaking of the bed, I know y'all see it a little bit behind me, but y'all, let's get into it. You ready? Okay, you guys, I had to take my glasses off, baby. Look me in the eyes, best friends. My bed though, I did that. Okay, you can definitely find the bed on Amazon. It will be linked below in my Amazon storefront. Y'all make sure y'all go and check out my Amazon storefront. Y'all, the bed is the central focus of my bedroom. Okay, when I saw it, it gave me immediate Art Deco vibes. You see the symmetry in the bed, the shapes. That is something that I definitely wanted to play off of, and it was black and gold. Sometimes when you have an all black room, it can read gloomy, but baby, it's giving empowerment, it's giving royalty, it's giving Black Lives Matter. Okay, it's giving black. Okay, black on black on black. So I love it. I love my pillows. They're all on my Amazon store. I love the gold detailing, and I did a pop of emerald. Also with my bed tray, here's what I have on here. I got this baby here from Home Goods, okay? And then I got my candle here from Home Goods as well. This scent is called Midnight. It is a coconut blend. When I tell y'all I love coconut in like a candle in a room and stuff. And so that was important for me to incorporate. And then here, my little faux plant. You know, I was gonna do a pampas grass. Plant, because I'm thinking we got pampas grass over here, but then I said, you know what, let's play off the emerald with the bed. So with the bed pillow and the plant. So I thought that was a good plant to choose, and I got that from Target. And then additionally, because it's gold, I just wanted to put in my bottle of Baccarat Rouge on my bed tray. So this is my bedroom besties. Would y'all ever do, so this is my bedroom besties. Y'all let me know down below, what did you think of my bedroom makeover? I will show pictures of the before, and y'all let me know. Y'all, I am in love with my room, my space. It is definitely giving black and gold, and it gives me regal vibes. It gives me a queen, okay? She's your queen to be. Okay, hello somebody. But anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. And I love what Audrey Hepburn said. We're gonna leave this note. Happy girls are the prettiest. I love y'all. Stay with God. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of my bedroom. Would you choose a black and gold theme? Do you like the Art Deco theme? Y'all let me know. Give me your feedback. Positive, please. Well, if you got something negative to say, it don't matter. I still got your view. Love y'all. Bye.